In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall McAfee WebAdvisor SiteAdvisor on your PC. So this should be a quick and easy process. Just go ahead to Settings. After that, just click on Open, which is the first option. And then the settings will open up for you. Just go ahead to Apps. Click on Edge, then click on Installed Apps. And here, if you have McAfee in your PC, just type in WebAdvisor as a one word. In my case, I don't have it available, but if you have it, it will pop up for you. And then do the same process I will show you on another app. So let's choose a random app. Just click on the three dots near McAfee, click on Uninstall, and then click on Uninstall again. After that, you should be all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.